We are at Chaparral Dog Park here, 6 o'clock in the morning. It is Tuesday here in Scottsdale, Arizona. We're here off major cross streets of Chaparral and actually McDonald and Hayden here with mobile mailbox money. Here this morning, you got our note of the day listed below. That's a $60,000 acquisition, about 67.5 cash flowing, $888 a month or more with your first lien acquisition. Start stacking cash flowing assets. Check out the Dropbox photos below for that note. It's off major cross streets of Kyrene and Baseline. That property's a 3-bed, 2-bath, and an established family community, providing a capital investor the availability to buy in a highly sought after area and hedge on the affordability crisis. Did you know that affordable housing is in a state of emergency, and you could start helping provide the solution and receiving a passive rate of return, buying a note, outside complications of landlord and tenant? You're basically buying a cash flowing asset under market value and a pro forma tenant with no maintenance, property insurance, taxes, property management fees, and all the above. You become a private lender essentially by buying a bank, positioning, buying, being the bank. Buying a position, being the bank, and positioning yourself as a private lender in a collateralized lending opportunity. Today is brought to you by Silvercrest Opportunity Fund. Invest accredited and earn a 10% net return for a 1-year term or 12% net for 3 in an income-oriented investment strategy, investing like Warren Buffett. Had multiple people on the podcast recently. Steve Didier, uh, Nomad Entrepreneur, so check that out. Also, we're attending our Business Network International tomorrow. Picked up a new lender, 35,000, and thank you for closed business. That's attributed from my membership in Business Network International. But this morning we'll be hitting the gym, we're here at the dog park, going in the cold plunge, and that's all before 9 a.m. We'll probably do a stream today with Sean Gibson talking about the notes we have available, but check out the notes below that we have. Our note of the day for 67.5 cash flowing $888. You could, as low as a 1-year term, participate with a qualified operator, providing you a double-digit interest rate and a collateralized lending opportunity with one of the largest players in manufactured housing in the nation. That's onemobilehomes.com and mobile mailbox money. We're just enjoying the morning. I got Romeo in the background there. Can't zoom in. But that's what we're doing today. We'll be out walking our inventory and going over the notes that we have and all the above. So if you have capital in an IRA, solo 401k, or just looking for personal investment, you could start participating for retirement savings. Hedge your bets in a safe, stable, and quality return. If you have money in a low yield savings account, that's not doing anyone any good, as you're losing money to inflation. So that's what we're doing this morning. I'm looking for private capital. We got about 3 notes that are immediately available at a double-digit interest rate. If you have $250,000, you could buy 3 positions, ultimately on affordable housing, deserving borrowers, quality assets, and start stacking cash flowing payments. Those are payments, not assets. You're buying the stream of payments as a note investor, being the bank. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get after it.